Selecting, finding, and sorting clients. To do all that, you need to go to the contact list right here, where it says contacts. From here, let's analyze first how to select contacts. Well, selecting means many things, selecting a group, and there are many ways to select a group, but let's concentrate in the most important ones. So here we have a button that is select contact, so you click that one, okay, and you can, for example, you want to select all the active clients or any other type or status, and you can do it from selected, from the group that you have selected. You're gonna select these, or you're gonna select them from all your database, or you can expand on something that you have selected already, or you're going to omit the ones that you have, the active clients that you have in your current list. Let's say that we're going to select this one, so execute. You have the ability to select if the contact is an affiliate, the status 1, the status 2, the group, so you can type something here, and if it is in the group, you can have unlimited groups. So it's going to be selected. In the referrals field, in the related to field, those fields are available when you edit the contact, as explained in our previous video. You can select by affiliate, you can select by payment status, like to be paid or paid, and you're going to select for the agent that is assigned to, the follow-up date, the range of follow-up date, and the date of creation. So all of that you have. Right now I'm gonna do only for active clients, which of course all of these are tests, so they don't matter, but they're not real. So that's one way. Another way would be, for example, by doing finding. So you can type, for example, last name here. I'm gonna click. If I click enter, it's gonna do it from all the database, okay? But if I do it like I put here Trello and I click search, you see I can select from selected, from the records that are selected, or from all, okay? So that would be that. Also, you can sort the clients, the contacts, in many ways, you know, by typing at the top of the column. So here I'm sorting by first name, last name, in this case is the same, by status 1, by status 2, when it's green is ascending, when it's red is descending. Okay, you can do all that. Very useful when you're doing the follow-up, because you can do for example like this and know which one is the oldest that you need to take care of, and then you can go from there. So that's another thing. Another way to select contacts is by checking these boxes. So you have two generic check boxes that you can use as you like. So for example, I'm gonna put these 2 or these 3 here, and I'm gonna put these 3 here. Okay, so now I can manipulate these contacts. For example, I'm gonna click at the top of this. Okay, you have shortcuts, as you can see. If you click with shift, they're gonna select all the ones marked, and if you click shift control, it's gonna clear the marked ones. Or you can click on it, and here you can do all these things: select from selected, select from all, clear, even delete. In this case, delete the contact, delete marked contact selected, so the ones that are selected, not from the whole database. So you may have other number 2s, checkboxes marked somewhere else, but only these 3 will be deleted if I choose this one. I'm going to choose to omit, not delete. So I'm gonna omit these three, so I have these, and now I'm gonna decide to select these three in this case. So I'm gonna select from selected. I don't know if I have more of the checkbox 1 marked somewhere else, so I'm gonna go for the save selection, select from selected, and then I have my result. Also, another way to select contacts are, so here we have the same thing, the mark 1, the ones that are marked with the 1, the ones that are marked with the 2 will pop up when you click mark 1, mark 2. Also, you can select affiliates directly, let's say all the affiliates, or the active clients, which you can do right there without going to select contacts. It's kind of a duplication, but it's a valid duplication. Leads, same thing. Dues, that is related to active clients that the follow-up is due. So you have to be active client, and the follow-up has to be due in order to be selected. Then you can select the last 25 contacts that were added, and this is in descending order. So in other words, this is the last one that you added. So this is very useful when you want to check which ones were added, because they can be added automatically from a sign-up form, for example. So it's a nice way. And here you click to select all. Additionally, still we can select with advanced search. Advanced search means that you're going to put exactly what you want for each one. So for example, I can put here lead, right? And here I can put Lorenzo. Okay, so now I'm going to click search from all, for example, and here you have the result. Okay, so that's pretty simple. Yes, practice, play around, and you be very proficient in a very short time. Thank you.